Hi, I'm here to talk to you about Avada, the #1 selling WordPress website builder on ThemeForest. Avada is a powerful and versatile theme that gives you everything you need to create a stunning website. Avada comes with a wide range of features, including a drag-and-drop page builder. The Avada page builder is one of the most powerful and user-friendly page builders on the market. It allows you to create any type of layout you can imagine, without any coding knowledge. The page builder is easy to use even for beginners. It comes with a wide range of pre-made elements so you can quickly get started. You can also create your own custom elements if you need to. A responsive layout that looks great on any device. Avada's responsive layout ensures that your website will look great on any device, from desktop computers to smartphones and tablets. This is important, as more and more people are using their mobile devices to access the internet. Avada's responsive layout ensures that your website will be accessible to everyone, no matter what device they're using. A powerful theme options panel. The Avada theme options panel gives you complete control over the look and feel of your website. You can change the colors, fonts, and layout of your website with just a few clicks. This makes it easy to customize your website to your own taste. A built-in WooCommerce integration. Avada is WooCommerce ready, so you can easily create an online store with your website. WooCommerce is the most popular e-commerce platform on the market. With Avada's WooCommerce integration, you can create a professional-looking online store without any coding knowledge. A full suite of shortcodes. Avada comes with a full suite of shortcodes that you can use to add extra functionality to your website. Shortcodes are small pieces of code that you can insert into your website to add specific functionality. For example, you can use shortcodes to add slideshows, contact forms, and social media buttons to your website. A library of pre-made templates. Avada also comes with a library of pre-made templates that you can use to get your website up and running quickly. These templates are designed by professional designers, so you can be sure that they look great. You can also customize these templates to your own taste. If you're looking for a WordPress website builder that can help you create a beautiful and professional website, then Avada is the perfect choice for you. Click the link below to learn more. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you learn more about Avada. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.